Welcome to Minute Memory. Imagine this: a red and white mushroom, a flying sleigh, and gifts under a tree. Could Christmas traditions have roots in ancient shamanic rituals involving a magic mushroom? Let's dive into this enchanting possibility. Across ancient traditions, the Amanita Muscaria mushroom has been a symbol of magic and wonder. But how did this mystical fungus come to influence Christmas? Let's uncover the story behind the myth. Modern Christmas is filled with imagery of Santa, reindeer, and gifts, but these may echo ancient rituals. Siberian shamans consumed Amanita muscaria to achieve altered states, believed to connect them with the divine. The reindeer in these regions also had a curious relationship with the mushroom, often eating it and displaying playful behavior. Could these elements have inspired Santa's flying sleigh and reindeer? Shamanic rituals often involved entering homes through smoke holes, much like Santa sliding down chimneys. They shared gifts of dried mushrooms, believed to bring health and prosperity. These mushrooms were sometimes hung on trees to dry, which might have inspired the modern tradition of hanging ornaments on Christmas trees. The red and white robes of Santa, the magical journey through the sky, and even the communal joy of gift-giving all align intriguingly with the rituals surrounding Amanita muscaria. Myth and modernity blur, creating the magic we celebrate every December. Whether fact or folklore, the links between Amanita muscaria and Christmas traditions remind us of the mythological roots that shape our celebrations today. Who knew mushrooms could be so festive? Thank you for joining us on this festive journey through the mythological roots of Christmas traditions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. What other fascinating connections between history and mythology would you like to explore? Let us know, and we'll see you next time on Minute Memory.